Okay, this is a whole universe of cryptocurrencies, but for today, I will just elaborate more on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, as you know, not all cryptocurrencies are cryptocurrencies. Okay, one part of it is called currency tokens. The rest, you can have utility tokens, platform, brand tokens, security tokens. So at least you give you an overview, the different kind of crypto assets. This is dated 21st August. Okay, take note the price here, 6448. 2 months later, 65. Basically, it's in a consolidation pattern now, right? For those people who understand about trading patterns. What about if you're looking at a longer term, perspective? If you have invested in 1st January 2016, who already hold Bitcoin since then? Only 1 or 2. Okay, you would have made 1,000 over percent. Can you find any asset class better than this? Probably not. Okay, but look at the past week. So this is a snapshot that I got this earlier today, this morning. So over 1 week, there's no movement in Bitcoin prices, literally. Over 1 year, it went up. But I thought the past few months is down. But this is based on October 2017 to October 2018. So if you have entered at October 2017 and hold until now, it's still up 13%. Still not too bad returns. Okay, so you have to know your time frame that you're looking at. All right, Ethereum. What about Ethereum? Wow, 20 over 1,000%. If you have bought since then in 2016. In the future, these are some notable people who talk about the price projections. I believe there are some revisions now. Okay, this was in the first quarter of this year. Right, this dot is not dot, it's comma. So, Tom Lee, I believe you might know, 25,000, he believed by end of 2018. Sounds a bit far-fetched, right? I believe so too. Probably I'll revise down. Maybe 10,000 possible if the Bitcoin futures is a big catalyst when it goes to mainstream. But some people will say no there's no technical charting or that. Everything is fundamentals. So we use the fundamental perspective, right, for those who don't like charts. So how come Bitcoin actually went up last year in the late? Because CBOE, CME, they want to actually release the futures. Okay, anyone can tell me there's one very big provider going to have a new futures, I would say, platform launching this December. Yeah, by what? What's the operator? The exchange behind it? ICE, right? Intercontinental Exchange, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange. When you have New York Stock Exchange coming into the picture of Bitcoin futures, and it's a physically settled futures, something is going to be a big catalyst. So I'm still bullish, okay, and I think there's an opportunity to ride the trend, especially we are looking at fundamental news. Okay, of course, in altcoins, if you have been holding, for me, I don't really believe in long-term holding for altcoins. I believe in long-term holding for Bitcoin because you'll be having big drawdowns like this.